Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change an Infiniti QX80 cabin air filter. Open the glove box fully and disconnect the dampener arm, then remove the stops to lower the box. Pull out the filter cover and slide the old filter straight out while watching for loose leaves. Compare the new filter orientation to the arrows printed on the frame and slide the replacement back in before reassembling the glove box. Prepare by collecting a Phillips screwdriver, a flashlight, and gloves to protect your hands from dust. Make sure the engine is off and the ignition key removed for safety. Sit comfortably in the passenger seat so you can access the glove box easily and have a small container handy for screws or clips. This prep saves time and keeps the workspace clean while you focus on replacing the filter quickly and correctly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more car DIY content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep snacks from spilling in your glove box or center console, and they fit neatly in cup holders too. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by lowering the glove box and carefully releasing the stops or dampener arm to gain full access to the filter housing. Remove the filter cover and pull the old filter straight out, noting how it sits so you can match the new one. Align the replacement filter with the airflow arrows pointing toward the HVAC and slide it in gently. Replace the cover, lift the glove box back into position, and reattach any clips or screws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.